Alright guys, so before this video proceeds any further, I just want to say that this video is about detailing the car and of course ceramic coating the car. So I want to say that Hydrosilex has a link in the description, and if you guys use my code AlexSVT when you guys check out, or enter it I should say, you guys will be able to get a free ceramic coating spray from them. And in exchange, all you guys got to do is pay the shipping, which is probably just going to depend and vary on location. But this will be a 2-week promotional offer. So if you guys are interested, please hit the link in the description and please watch the whole video so you guys get all the details and know what you guys are going to get. And we will catch you guys in the rest of the video.
Look at how dirty it is, guys. Sure he really misses driving this car, so
let me see. Today what we're going to be doing is a little bit of a detailing video for you guys. So as you guys know, the 5.0 is stupid dirty, and that is solely for the purpose that the MT82 broke on this car. We were messing around, and long story short, we broke the third gear on the car. So the car has essentially just been sitting outside and collecting dust and dirt. But today we're going to be showing you guys some products that Hydrosilex sent us, and we're going to show you guys completely what their products are and how we are going to use it to transform this car. As you guys know, this car is already ceramic coated, but we're going to be just enhancing it because they do have a recharge for their ceramic coatings. So we'll let you guys know with that, but first off we have to wash the car, so let's get started with that. And sorry that the garage is a mess, guys. We are building the Cobra, which is almost done, but the reveal will be coming very soon and I'm super excited. We're gonna unbox. I already opened it, but I just wanted to see what they had, so I got a little excited. All right, so Lena, do you know what these are?
Towels?
Towels. Hydrosilex also sent us 12 microfiber towels. Looks super high quality, so we will use that at the end of the wash. Okay, now we have to open up all the products.
I guess you like that one.
Okay, let's open it up.
Lime green and cyan.
They did such a good job. What?
Gosh.
You know, if you put water on them, they'll stick together. Well, I gotta say that I'm gonna give Hydrosilex a 10 out of 10 on the packaging, because they wrapped it in bubble wrap. Looks super good. So this is Hydrosilex glass cleaner, so you guys can't go wrong with glass cleaner, especially inside, right? It gets all dirty all the time. Cyan. Okay, so this is their ceramic coating. So this is a little bit different. Obviously, this is just a spray ceramic coat, which will work cool. Could do it to enhance the existing one. All ceramic coat is a lot different, but it just depends. So you guys just have to be careful. As you guys know, this car is already ceramic coated, but we will still give this a shot regardless. You got that one? So this is their silica soap. It is their ceramic aftercare, so essentially maintaining that ceramic coat. Looks super clean. What do you think this does?
Aftercare?
Yeah, this is just maintaining. It's a foam. You're supposed to use it in a foam cannon, so we'll give that a shot as well, and it should be cool. Oh, we got tire shine. You guys know I love tire shine. I like it bright. That's just me. I like a bright.
We got a lot of spraying thingies.
It smells kind of interesting. Never smelled that before. It's like a gel, so very cool. Smells good too, so I think it's cool when products smell really good.
Fun fact for you guys, Alex smells everything that he gets. Fun
fact, really sad fact. Okay, so we got the wheel cleaner as well, so we will give that a shot on the Vorsteiner wheels. As you guys know, these wheels are very expensive. They came with the car, so we will do that as well. So very excited. So we will give this a shot after, and hopefully it applies well with the ceramic coat already. But yeah, we'll give it a shot and hope for the best. So we'll let you guys know, and yeah. Okay guys, so also when you guys are preparing for the wash, one thing that I recommend is having a bucket with a slider dolly, kind of like this. It works good. And typically when you guys wash your car, you want to do a 2-bucket method, but for me it's cool because the foam cannon is essentially the bucket for me. If you guys want to be extra careful, you guys can do 2 buckets, but if you come over here, we have a bucket with a grit guard. So the grit guard collects all the dirt at the bottom, so you guys will be safe with that. And as you go throughout the wash, each panel, you're going to go in there and wipe the mitt on the area right there, and it should collect the dirt on the ground. And yeah, so let's get started by cleaning the wheels. Also, whoa, what are you doing there? Huh?
Taking it home with me.
No, she's about to steal my speaker. That can't happen, miss. But Also guys, this is a Sun Gel pressure washer you guys can find on Amazon. I'll have everything linked in the description as to what products I use aside from the Hydrosilex. This pressure washer is by far one of the best electric pressure washers on the market for, like, I want to say $150, so you guys can check the link in the description. And I also have the foam cannon with the small orifice, and then that's when we'll put the soap in. But yeah, so we're just preparing the pressure washer and putting the hose into the pressure washer.
We're gonna make a sword out of
Also,
these.
we should spell Hydrosilex. Yeah, should
No.
we do that? We have to.
I'll
Okay.
make a sword.
But if you guys know these packing peanuts, if you guys like get water on them, they'll stick together. So we'll just dip it a little bit like that. Off topic, guys, sorry. But look, they'll stick together.
Whoa.
You can like build stuff. What do you guys think? I think that's pretty cool. A little tip if you guys don't know. All right, guys, so we are going to be testing out the first product, which is their wheel and tire cleaner. What are you doing? It's supposed to change color. You ready?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Whoa, that's two. Whoa. Typically, I recommend rinsing off the wheel, but sometimes the cleaner actually will stick better. So we'll just do that, rinse it off, and then we'll attempt again. But whoa, it's supposed to change color, so I guess we will find out. Probably really strong, guys. Typically, the most aggressive cleaners smell very strong. So, oh, nice sword, man. You want to help me clean the wheel with it?
Yeah.
We'll do what they say. We'll just rinse it off and see how it does without rubbing. Try to evenly spread it onto the wheel. It's very strong because it smells, but it's supposed to change color, so we'll rinse off with the pressure washer after. But I'm being pretty liberal because you guys know that wheels are very important and they gotta be clean.
It's like my grandma. Wow. Oh, look the difference.
Wow. Clean the wheels pretty good. Yeah, it did change it pretty good. Let's check out the other wheels and test that out.
This is the before, guys. It's kind of dirty. And this is after. So we're gonna go wash off the other one now.
I'll be honest, it really cleaned up the wheels, guys. Like, and I didn't even touch it. So we're not doing anything, just a good pressure washer and letting the product do its work. Obviously, when you guys do, you know, rub the wheel, it's obviously going to get most of the dirt off, but we're just testing it how they said it would. So all right, guys, so now we're getting to the process of actually doing the foam. So guys, you don't need an expensive foam cannon to get good foam. All you need to get is the one I have linked down in the description and the 1.1 millimeter orifice, which sits right here. And like I said, guys, it really does help the foam and suds. It essentially, for an electric pressure washer, it compresses the suds a lot more, so it looks a lot better. So we're gonna be using their silica soap. So it's an aftercare, but the car is already ceramic coated, so we're gonna give their stuff a shot. That's not a lot, but if we feel like we need to add more suds or add more soap, then we will. But
It smells really good too.
it does. This should be cool. So first things first, guys, rinse off the car and let's get it going. We'll see how good this silica stuff works. Oh my god, that's good. It looks very good, guys. Foams up very thick, and that 1.1 millimeter orifice putting in work. So you guys know washing the car is pretty easy for the most part. Just wash from top down. Every other panel, I'd suggest really going to the rinse bucket because you don't want to scratch any panel. So like glass, guys, you guys know you guys can't really scratch glass. The top is roof wrap, so I don't really care about that. At the end of the day, like, a lot of people have different methods of how to wash the cars, this and that, but at the end of the day, it's all about, do you guys get the same outcome? And by doing the same outcome, making sure everything's cool, not scratching anything. So, and I'm pretty sure the soap is pH balanced, so typically it will not dry, especially if you're washing in the sun, but still I'd recommend getting it off as soon as possible. that's my suggestion. But yeah, so for example, we'll wash a panel right now. Let's just say we go to hit this panel right here. Please wash in straight lines. Oh shoot, we got a runner. And wash in straight lines. So after that panel, go into the bucket, rinse it out at the bottom of the grit guard, wring it out, and then repeat the process on every other panel. So do that around the whole car, guys, and we will let you guys know when we are done with that process. And we'll show you guys the outcome, and then we'll show you guys how to ceramic coat the car. Okay guys, so we have the whole car rinsed off. Looks so much better. As you can see, you can actually see the deep impact blue paint, which is what it's called. And it's all wet right now, and one good thing about beading is that it's going to make drying a lot easier. So we're going to be using a leaf blower, which is the best and most effective way, and then we'll come back with the microfiber towel to make sure that everything looks super clean. But Lena, do you approve?
Yeah.
Paint looks super good, so yeah, let's continue the rest of the video. All right guys, so we finished washing the car. As you can see, there's just a little bit of wet spots that's going to happen, but we used the leaf blower that got off a lot of the water, and then we're going to come back with just a microfiber towel and get the excess, and then we'll show you guys the actual coating process and recharging essentially my coat, because it's already coated. So
we're going to be using the towels that they gave us right there
with the recharge. So let's see. Okay guys, so we are applying the recharge easy to apply ceramic coating. This is the Hydrosilex one. Like I said guys, super easy. So just spray, wipe, and it will work good with ceramic coated cars because, well, it's only enhancing the ceramic coat that was existing on it. So we just have a little bit of water, so I'll show you guys. Super easy to apply. I'm probably going a little ham, but it's okay. But like I said guys, it's like spray on, and it's going to really enhance the look and give it that extra shine. And most importantly, if you guys' cars isn't ceramic coated, it's going to have some sort of ceramic protection. This car got a paint correction. Shout out to Rudy Pebbles. And the paint was pretty bad before, and when we did the paint correction with the ceramic coat, it really made this paint pop. Like, as you guys can see, this paint is essentially flawless now, and it looks super good. So we're gonna just do that around the whole car, and we'll show you guys the end result, and hopefully you guys enjoy. We'll do the tire shine, all the other stuff, clean the glass, and we'll let you guys know.
This is a glass cleaner, guys. We're just gonna clean the windows with them.
With a new microfiber.
See how it works.
Wow, I'm actually very impressed with these products, guys. They're not super oil-based or whatever you want to call it. Like, it's just very, like, these products are just super easy to use. We'll clean the inside of the glass too.
Look at the tint.
I know. It's not very concentrated to the point where it just wipes off very clean. Oh, I really like these products, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually very good. You know, and at the end of the day, like, there's companies out there that aren't discovered, like Hydrosilex, and I gotta say, like, their stuff is actually very good. I'm very surprised, and that's my honest impression, guys. Like, they work really good. So we are going to wrap up the video, guys. Pretty much, guys, like I said, Hydrosilex, they know their stuff. They're all pretty much ceramic based products, and they work very well. Like I said, I'm very pleased with how they performed. Like, it's my honest opinion, and I'd highly recommend, if you guys are interested in the products, check them out, guys. I know there's other brands like Chemical Guys and whatnot, but Adam's Polishes, but these stuff work very well. And like I said, please check them out. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, and we will catch you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. Watch me drop a gear and disappear. Gotta thank the Lord that I made